Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a new page in Google Docs. So there are a few ways you can do this. You can do the long way, which is selecting enter until you hit a new page. Or you can go to insert, break, and select page break. Or if you want the easier way to do it, hold on, let me just go back. And okay, let's delete everything. This is number 1. Just select Control Enter on your keyboard and you'll have a new page. It is as simple as that. That's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!